Today I want to introduce Causa Dio Hairball. It's well named Causa Dio because there have many aquaculture oysters in the area, and many people are doing fishing or aquaculture. Kaohsiung government had to make Causa Dio Hairball to transformation to sightseeing fishing pot. Now we are going to see what is Causa Dio Hairball. First, we are going to the parking lot to parking car. The parking lot tour is 50 NT dollar time in weekday and 30 NT dollar first hour is set 1 hour 15 NT dollar an hour in holiday. When you go out the parking lot, you will see the pink freshly delicious cake. I will introduce that later. When you walk in the harbor, you will see many street vendors outside. They sell fried seafood, watermelon juice, or sugar cane. When guests finish shopping, they can go here to get some delicious food or drink to eat. Now, let's go to fish market. Fish market, of course, is to sell seafood, but it also sells some pricing products like flag fish pills. Everybody can buy fresh seafood in here. If you are still hungry after you bought the fish goods but handing them which waste for a long time, here also has a service for valet crossing. Here is not only hairball. They have a beautiful beach behind the hairball. The people go to there are almost locals. They bring their children here to play. There is a very good location to see sunset. You will see many photographers bring their camera to photograph this good view. Do you have a better know about Causa Dio Hairball after I introduce? In here, you are not only buy fresh fish, and you also can see a very beautiful beach. These places are a good location to go in holiday. Now I want to introduce Pin freshly delicious cake. It's open at Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can book a cake by phone to home delivery, or you can take on the spot. Its cake has a baked kind. If you don't want to wait, you can make a phone call to confirm baked time. It has an 8 taste. They are respectively vanilla, pumpkin cheese, lemon, black sugar, walnut, berry, cheese, and cherry jam. Here I want to introduce cheese taste. It has 3 cheese in the cake. There are respectively American cheese, Australia cheese, and cheddar in the cake. When you take out the cake, you will see the cheese are flow out. If you are very like cheese, I will recommend this to you. If I come here next time, I will take another test. And this is my introduce about Causa Dio Hairball. Thank you for your listening.